Hey guys, it's Gab from Ace Maverick Media, and today I'm actually going to do an update to the post I made last week about Facebook third-party branded content. So here's an actual post that I did actually in February to promote a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu product. So what I actually did here is you can see here that I actually now tagged a third party, right? So typically here I just actually edited the post here. So this post actually reached, 1.6 million people. It got close to about 140,000 views, a couple of reaction. Engagement was about 2%. And typically in the edit post here, to actually do the third-party branded content, this is where you would actually tag them. So that little hand-holding icon down there, right, is where you would actually add the third-party branded content. So that's where you would add it. Right, so there you go. Let's just cancel this because it's already done. So here it is. So let's actually now go to the third-party branded page. So Live to Roll is another page that I oversee. So let's take a look at this. So let's close this out. Let's go to the Live to Roll page. And we actually see here, let's actually take a look at the insights. So here in the left-hand column, you'll actually see the branded content. So if you have branded content, this is where it would now appear. So you can see here that the metrics are pretty much all the same, right? So it's the same thing, 1.7 million reach. The engagement was 2%. So now I have access to this post, which is a huge benefit because remember, right, if this post was trending really, really well on that particular page, on that particular kit page, I could then use it to promote my product or service, which is amazing, right? So I'm banking off of someone else's great reach and reputation, and now I'm able to actually advertise through that. So again, this is a total game changer for advertisers out there. Real game changer. Is this going to be great for page owners? Not so much, I think, especially people that were trying to monetize their page by taking advertising money. So but again, this is how you would set it up if you were the advertiser that was tagged in a branded post. So again, you'd go about it the same way if you wanted to actually boost a post. Same exact way, you set your target, you set your budget, and then you, boom, just share and boost the post if you want. And there you have it. This is how you use Facebook branded content. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or concern, just email Gabriella at acemaverickmedia.com. Thanks so much, guys.